Imagine waking up to see money deposited into your account without actively working for it. Sounds like a dream, right? But in 2025, there are real ways to build passive income that can help you earn money while you sleep. In this video, I'll break down 7 passive income ideas that actually work, how to get started, and what you need to know to make this a reality. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss money-making tips like this. First up, dividend stocks. This is where companies pay you money just for owning their stock. Think of it like getting a paycheck without working. Here's how to start. 1. Open a brokerage account like Robinhood or Fidelity. 2. Look for dividend-paying stocks like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson. 3. Invest consistently. Dividends grow over time, and you can reinvest them to earn even more. Some stocks pay out quarterly, and if you invest wisely, your passive income can grow every single year. If you're finding this helpful so far, go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps this video reach more people. Next is affiliate marketing. This is when you promote products online and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Steps to start. 1. Sign up for Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. 2. Pick a product you love, tech gadgets, fitness gear, or even digital courses. 3. Share your link on YouTube, a blog, or even social media. Example. If you promote a $100 product with a 10% commission, that's $10 per sale. Just 10 sales a day, that's an extra $3,000 per month. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe because I share new money-making strategies every week. This one is gold, creating and selling digital products like ebooks, templates, planners, or stock photos. Why is this powerful? Because once you create a digital product, you can sell it over and over again without extra effort. Here's how to start. 1. Choose a profitable niche: business, fitness, budgeting. 2. Create a simple product using Canva or Google Docs. 3. Sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Some people make thousands per month from one digital product that they only created once. Once again, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share. What if I told you that you could sell t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies without ever touching inventory? With print on demand, you upload your designs to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify, and they handle everything: printing, shipping, and customer service. If you can sell just 10 t-shirts a day with a $10 profit per shirt, that's an easy $3,000 per month without lifting a finger. Drop a comment below. Would you rather sell t-shirts or digital products? YouTube isn't just for vloggers. You don't even need to show your face to make money. With YouTube automation, you can 1. Create faceless videos using stock footage and AI voiceovers. 2. Monetize with ads after reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. 3. Earn from sponsorships and affiliate links on Autopilot. Many faceless channels make $5,000 plus per month, and they keep earning even after uploading stops. And if you want a full video on how to start a faceless YouTube channel, let me know in the comments. You don't need to own a house to make rental income. You can rent out things you already own. Here's what people rent out for passive income: spare rooms on Airbnb, cars on Turo, cameras, drones, or even storage space. Some Airbnb hosts make $500 per weekend, while renting out a car on Turo can earn $1,000 plus per month. If you own something valuable, why not let it make money for you? Want to invest in real estate without buying houses? That's where REITs, real estate investment trusts, come in. With REITs, you invest in real estate companies that pay dividends, earn passive income without managing tenants, can start with as little as $50 to $100. Some REITs pay out 5 to 8% annually, meaning you get paid just for owning shares. If you're still watching, comment passive income, so I know you're serious about making money in 2025. All right, now that you know 7 passive income ideas, which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. Before you go, make sure to like this video. It helps more people see it. Subscribe for more money-making tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video. If you stayed till the end, you're already ahead of 99% of people. Now, take action and start making passive income. See you in the next video.